Holy shit balls. How do we do this? Fucked it up again, huh? Need this one. This one, is it? Oh, we're live feed. That's good. That's amazing. That can be closed, huh? Where's this? Let me close this. YouTube. Man, why is it? This one is it, boys. Okay, hey, what's going on? What's going on, babies? I have some new settings, so we need to. You need to say how the music is, to be honest. Music sound, music volume. I fucked it up first stream, and I fucked it up. It is what it is, but it is good, and it's amazing. What's going on, Mansoor? Hugo, Parza Ramazani. Parza Ramazani, Pratya Iha, the goat is back. He is. What I need to do is, how do we do this? Is this the URL? Yeah, there's one. So I have completely just settings from scratch, so I have no fucking clue how the mic is. I have no clue how the music is, so you guys need to guide me a little bit here. How do I do this here? Announcements, huh? Just tagging everyone. I'm live everywhere. Pasting this link. Maybe I should do. It's fine. Publish. Boom. Like that. All right. Everything is okay. That's nice. Where's the fucking? Dude, the audio is low, the music, isn't it? Let me boost it up. It should be good. Should be good, boys. What's going on? Who's here? Let me see. Your tweet of your return to streaming was the best thing of the day, man. Pratham, thank you very much, man. Oh, it's cool, Mr. B. That's nice. What's going on here? GG, my man is back. Lamurza, what's going on, man? Isaac Grapper, good afternoon. Where's Twitch? Let me see, guys. I have too much going on here. How can I actually dump the Twitch thing? Multi-stream maybe here. Is that a thing? No, it's not. Of course not. Garbage. How do we do this here? Yes! Look at this! What? You are ditching Go? I don't know. I don't know. Look at this. I'm making the rewrite, guys. I'm doing the rewrite of the fanmade. It's already live, by the way. Look at this. We got everybody. We got Daenerys Targaryen. Tua. You see the Hak Tua girl here? You can chat with her for free. That's what we're building, man. Completely rewrite from Golang to a remix, and it feels good. It feels good. Now I have time, right? I made this app 1 year ago, but I have no time. 11 new kids streaming. Girlfriend, but now we have time. Now we are free from society, guys. So what's going on here? Sorry devs have slept after watching React e-commerce clone. Oh, what are the times, man? Where are these times? Never watched your stream. First time. Oh, Anton Yurkov, what's going on? First time. Booty is here as well. What's up, Booty? Mr. B. Anthony, where were you? Man, I was everywhere and nowhere, man. You see this? I'm bulked. I'm bulked as fuck. 80 kilograms, baby. Just put my son to sleep and wife is with her mother. That's amazing, man. Oh, let me. I understand. Yeah. I remember you, man. I remember you. Colby Burger. Kevin, damn, been quite a while. Yeah, it's like 3 months or something. And I developed like this back pain. I'm getting old, guys. It's crazy. Holy shit. So what's going on? I didn't open Twitter for such a long time. Never watched any fucking technical YouTube video. Primogen, Melky, I have no fucking clue. They're probably struggling. The same like they struggled 4 months ago, you know what I mean? Being a slave of their followers. That's bad. Anthony, are you stopping the modular blockchain development? I think it's kind of dumb, to be honest. I mean, modular means you can build as much modules as you want, right? So it's actually never done, to be honest. You still have back pain. You still? Yeah, man. I still have. It's not going away. Maybe I'm sick. Like a tumor or something and I'm dying. And this is my last stream. Who knows? How is the stream quality? Because I'm streaming from my MacBook. This is like... and on... you can turn the music down a little bit. Okay, it's fine. You see, that's the feedback I want. From my boy. Is this better? 30 dB. 30 decibels, baby. This stream is more exciting than Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul. It's tomorrow, isn't it? Tomorrow. It's gonna be, I don't know. It's probably rigged or something. I have no clue, man. It's like, we will see what's going on. We will see. They're gonna make a lot of money, that's for sure, right? That's for sure. If when I'm 60 or 50, I'm gonna fight anymore. That's done. I would be a millionaire by then. Congratulations on your engagement. Thank you very much. My life is over. That's not true. My life begins. Because she might be watching. I love her so much. GG. Kiss from me. And to me. The only G. On twitch.tv. Are you sipping margaritas on the beach? Yeah, I did in Albania with Teddy, my man. Kiro Bane Shin, thank you so much for the Prime subscription, my man. I love you so much. Peace and love, brother. Music is too loud, bro. Is it? Maybe... I have no fucking clue. Is this better? I need to find the correct decibels because on my Mac it's different than on Windows, and then you know what I mean? It's like fucked up. Ashton, can you check for me the Anthony found out that you have to write React in order to make money? Yeah, it is. 12 dB. What the fuck is that? It's better. Okay. It's better or it's good. It's like, you know what I mean? You could be better, but it can be good. You know Hetzner? Yeah, he's my brother. Timmy Hetzner. Yeah, of course Hetzner is very good. Hosting, baby. You see, is that gonna happen? And Gigi's putting off the shirt. That means you're gonna do back to business. Oh man. All right. You see my arms, man? I'm bulking up. You see? I'm bulking up. What the fuck is that? Testosterone. Replacement therapy. It's not. It's pure natural muscles. Why React? Are you abandoning HTMX? Yeah, listen. So a couple things. It's Mac is annoying with the tabby webbies. With the tabby webbies, bro. Can I please open up? Can I please click some browsers? Of course, because you can't actually you can't make these things in Golang and HTMX. It's impossible, right? This is a progress. How do you call that? A progressive web application. It's basically built for mobile. So you can see this here, right? So you see it's mobile. Chat is here. It's completely mobile because 80% of your users are going to come from their mobile phone. You know, that's going to happen. So we made that. I made that like that. You see, boom, everything works fine. Even this, the sheet for the images, perfectly. Boom, this gallery. Look at that. You can't make these things with Golang and HTMX. That would be a pain in the fucking ass. You know what I mean? I'm 18. Need your career advice. I can build things in Mern stack, such as lead code. Stuck at lead code. What should I do now? Learn what to what? Kind of bored and did nothing for the past 2 months. I'm gonna give you like lead code. I'm stuck at lead code myself. I don't think I can that I can solve a lead code thing myself, because according to Reddit, according to Reddit, my courses are a scam. And I can't code. Here. Can I even zoom this in, huh? Here, I'm gonna read directly from Reddit. I'm not sure how to put this, but Anthony isn't very knowledgeable. As far as I can tell, none of the profile Go streamers are not knowledgeable. You may learn things by watching them, but ultimately they are just entertainers. And millionaires. Recently subscribed to his courses on school, and it was not very good. Unsubscriber in the first month. So the only advice that I can give you, don't buy anything from me, because I also stuck at lead code, but I know how to build applications. So it's kind of a different thing, right? Do you want to be good at lead code and be broke? Or do you want to build applications, good user-facing applications, and make money? Build a company, show your face on the internet, don't hide after your PFP, and yeah, fuck some girls, you know? That's the difference. So you're doing good. So instead of focusing on lead code, build something. That's my advice. Anthony, have you tried Astro? I tried everything. So basically what happened, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to make a video on Monday probably what's happened. So I tried a lot of things. I tried Ruby on Rails, PHP with Laravel, Next.js, and Remix. I tried these things over the past couple of months, weeks. And they're all very good. Golang as well. But Golang doesn't fit in the... Look, these days, applications need to be very... You know, like... sheets and state. And there's a lot of thing going on the user side, right? So it needs to be... It's all cached as well, you know what I mean? Like, it's... Yeah. You cannot do that with Golang. You can, but you're gonna maybe spend 6 months building such a thing, right? Ruby is good, but the problem with Ruby is it's again hard on the front end side, in my opinion, because on the back end it's easy, it's magic, it's good, you just press some buttons and everything works. But the moment you're gonna do these user-facing shenanigans, you need to have some good state on your client, and then you could use Alpine. But Alpine is basically it's good for some small things, but you know, not the good. You could use Stimulus, but again, Stimulus is like, it's good, but it's not the best. Laravel, the same thing. It's very good, but heavy front-end heavy apps. It's already better than Ruby, right? But it's not the same as just using fucking TypeScript with Next or something else. Believe me, guys, I am baptized. You know what I mean? Welcome back. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, if I'm, you know, I'm learning myself. Should we expect Black Friday discounts on a full-time GoDev course? Maybe. If people still want to buy that, why not? I shipped a complete CTF platform in 3 days using Astro. One of the best develop experiences, not gonna lie. Yeah? Why not? Astro Remix, kind of the same thing. kind of the same thing. I just booted up Remix and I liked it and I just developed and now it's in Remix, so it's React. Have you tried anything from Tanstack? Yes, I'm using Tanstack, use query all over the fucking place, mate. And I'm using Zeditor as well. For example, use, where can I find this? For example, index or something. Blind homies, zoom in. For example, here, right? Use query, companions, get companions. Because everything is cached, you don't need to basically put your state in some kind of Zustand thing. I'm using Zustand for a couple of things. But the cool thing is that with use query, you can do something like... I think I have something like use account. You see, I have a hook, use account, but that's actually... I'm setting... You know where I'm going here? I'm setting actually the cached data from the account with use query. And that's something Remix need to fix with their use fetchers. I can't manipulate data. I need to store the data into a assistant store or something. And with use query not, which is amazing. Is the quality 70p? It could be, because I have no fucking clue what I did actually. How can I fix this? How can I fix this? Wait, can I... How do I know it's 720p? Maybe my bitrate is low. I have no fucking clue. Somebody... please let me know if something is wrong with the stream. Let me know so I can fix it for the next time. It's very important because it's completely new settings, right? Did you buy that M3? Yeah, of course. It's yeah, I bought the M3 for a long time ago. Are you shifting? Well, no, I'm building this company. It's an Estonian company. So yeah, now I'm doing this, and this requires React. So now I'm writing that, right? You know what I mean? Because you're a programmer, you write everything you want, you know? M3 MacBook and an M3 car. Yeah, everything is M3 because I'm Anthony. GG. So what I want to do, actually, I hope I can program a little bit. Not quite sure because first stream, everybody's going to ask questions like a motherfucker, but that's fine. So what I want to do actually is I want to fix the gallery. So let me state the problem. Why is this window nowhere? It's Mac, man. Just boot. Okay, let me quickly see here for Twitch. Just the Twitch chat real quick. I don't know when setting cache on AV. Cache should be a replicated state of the backend state. Thought you died overdoing Golang. Yeah. HTMX for larger projects. I like HTMX for smaller scale tooling. Control plus arrow keys to switch. Yeah. I deleted plus from my keyboard. Press. Why aren't you using loaders? I'm using loaders from time to time. Why don't you want to use loaders? It's very simple, because if I click explore here, it loads instantly, right? And this is this is going to be used from a mobile application most of the time, from a mobile device. So that basically means that if you're on your mobile, right, and you click on something, what's going to happen is that if you need to load all these images, if you need to do a big query or something, because you need to have the popular query, the explore query, you need to do a couple of queries, the account, this, that, is this premium, all this bullshit, and you do a loader without deferring your statements, the user is gonna click and nothing is gonna happen. He's not gonna see any spinner, he's not gonna see anything moving, it's just loading, and then it's showing the page, which is super annoying. Then you could use in Remix you can defer your loaders, but then you have nasty code and then you have no state and you need to do all this nasty stuff. That's why I'm using useQuery for this thing. useQuery. So if people click, it instantly just works, right? It don't need to wait. And then it caches, and it's like easy peasy, you know? Boom, here. Images, you see? It's easy, it's fast. With loaders, it's not. Yeah, you could make client loaders. I investigated all that stuff, and it's just not yet there, I think, in my opinion, man. It's not yet there. And I'm not a front-end engineer. I just made this app. I just doing stuff, you know what I mean? I'm just sucking some things out of my thumb, and if they work, they work, right? So what's going on? These images here, wait. These images are basically prefab images that the system, myself, generates for users, right? If you log out, for example, you see, if I go here, these are these prefab images, right? You can't do anything with them. But if we log in, okay, we need to change this picture. It's a little bit unsafe. These images are user generated. That I generated these, right? We need to do some stuff like these things doesn't work. And that's what I'm actually gonna trying to solve stuff maybe today. Maybe. Why did you jump to remix? I knew this question came up and we need to debate the whole night. Do you prefer remix more than Next.js? Next.js is nice, but I'm too stupid to understand service components, right? Well, I can understand them, but it's like, then you have a navigation bar, and then you have a server component that basically logs you out or gets something, and then you cannot use it in a client component because it's a server component, but you can pass a server component into a props of a client component, but it's already too complicated for me, you know what I mean? It's way too complicated for a man like me. And that's why I'm using this. Oh man. Which model are you using to generate these images? It's nobody has this, right? So you have a lot of competitors, but we're gonna take over the whole world. Why? Because we actually trained our own model for the past 3 months. You know who this is? Or she looks like somebody, isn't it? But she's not it. But she looks like it, right? Look, this guy here. Here, do you know who this is? Who knows that? Who is this? Who is this? Who do you think this could be? What's going on? Who is this? If somebody knows who this is, just that would be nice. But some images are like... But yeah, the images need to be generated very fast, so we need to do some stuff. We cannot do LoRa training, so we need to do Kamala Harris. Yeah, now she needs to look for a new job, isn't it? So we have as well. Where is here this guy? Why is this not still changed, man? Oh, it's on my local. I need to change this. Man, what the hell? It's Patrick Sins. Patrick Sins. It's gonna be Patrick Sins, baby. Oh my goodness, man. Patrick Sins. You know? He works in the adult industry. Oh my god, I need to change this as well. Oh man, Ashton, man. Born. Oh, but on prediction it should be fine. On prediction it's fine, but it's still here like I think it's Stephen Wolf or something that I call him. Alright. Let's click here. got a bigger D than Mr. Sins. I have no clue. I don't know how big a D is. Oh man. But to all of the standing, this is a companion app, right? This is not anything. It's for, you can do real talk. You can write emerging stories with your characters. You can generate pictures. It's for, you can whatever you want. You know what I mean? Yeah. Character can help you code. It is, man. I will. You can get one yourself here. Man, and now I need to code. How are we gonna do this? So. How is this gonna work, huh? So if we click this, liking, set as profile picture. So let me actually see. Okay. Enough shit, chat. Profile covers. And slice. Correction. An array of images. Okay. Now we know that. By the way, guys, how is the mic going? Because I just plugged it in and called it a day. I didn't configure anything. And everybody's complaining about the volume back in the days, right? And I configured it so hard back then. Like I did my best to make it so good and nobody could, and everybody was complaining. And now I just plugged it in, you know, like I spit on that thing, you know? And I plugged it in. That's what I did. Your head looks shinier than ever. Hey, on stream, I waxed it, man. Oh, you're Mac to me now. Yeah. Yeah, I bought a Mac. A big Mac. Because everybody was complaining about Windows. Guys, it's never good enough for you guys. It's never good enough. Windows is not good. Linux is not good. Mac is not good. What do I need to do? Code on a Game Boy Advance? Okay, so I need this fucking thing. I have no clue what I'm doing. I write the most dirtiest code in the whole fucking planet. But I don't care. Where is this dialogue? Image dialogue. Boom. Here. Is it Z? Yeah. From the shadows I return. What's up, Benjamin? What's going on? Long time no see. I'm doing fine. What about you, man? Bami, using Z now. Z is one of the best editors ever. I couldn't use it because I had no Mac. But now I had a Mac. I can use Z. Of course, now they released it on Linux as well. But it's just so good. Because Vim can't format this project, right? Vim, they say it's good, it's fast, it's garbage, right? I cannot format it, it delays. VS Code formats way faster than Vim. But Anthony, you need to, maybe it's your configuration. Exactly, I have no time, right? I'm a businessman, I'm building startups. So I have no time sitting in my configuration. So I was using Cursor, but that's VS Code, but better. And then I used Z, and that's actually super fast. And the keyboard, everything just works like crazy. Like formatting is like instantly. You know what I mean? Cursor is good because it's better. It's faster. For some reason, I don't know what they did, man. Ruby on Rails, very good. But not good enough. How can I focus? The thing is, are we going to dump some code in here? That's the question, right? Why not? Set profile picture. So the thing is, I'm going to show you what's happening here. Is that each persona companion has profile pictures. So each time I refresh my page, it's going to have a random image from the profile pictures, right? And you can set, the goal is, so you can pick from one of your custom images you made, is to add that as a profile. Wait, but this is a prefab. Sunday Adams is generated from me. How is that gonna work? That should only work on custom companions, actually, to be honest. Isn't it? I'm thinking it. I just configured the shortcut to use the Vim motions in the sidebar. Yeah, that's just a good. It's a good editor. Really good. And what's so good on Z, and maybe it's maybe I just is this. If you, for example, search for something like a companion, which is going to be everywhere, you can actually go in Vim mode. Well, change these things in here. Like you can type code in here. It's what the hell is this? This is amazing. You can just code in all these things and it just works crazy. It's a whole new world. Just like Aladdin. I'm thinking here. That's the problem, right? Old Sublime vibes. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's just do something like, let's do something dangerous. Well, dangerous. So this is the image dialog. So we could do add profile. Pictures. Add profile picture is gonna be this thing. This is the image, right? The thing is, I'm gonna pause image in here. Why? Because I'm gonna completely abstract, move this out of this function later on. So I'm gonna say image here, image. Yeah. And then man, it's so hard to jump and didn't code for the whole fucking day because I needed things to do. Add as profile pictures, right? Let's see. Let's do this real quick to get it to speed. We need to warm up, guys. We need to warm up. It's like warming up. We're gonna do this thing. Book image. Where is that? It's gonna be an on click. Can we do that? Actually, it's gonna be on the button here. On click. It's gonna be set as. Add as. I'm an ass. Set as. I'm gonna use set as, guys. Add. It's gonna be add because you have multiple. Add as. The problem is this one, and then it's gonna be the image. Supabase is going to be use app context. The problem is if we ever need to move from Supabase to something else, we're gonna get fucked. 100%. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? Do things that doesn't scale. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually do something like an await. That needs to be an async function. If you can type. We're gonna say await Supabase. Is it a client? No, it's not. From. Actually, to be honest, so easy. Now that I think about it. From images. I'm gonna be update. Oh, this font's so huge. What the hell's going on here? S profile picture. True. It's gonna be sad as. Because we don't need to push. Sad as profile picture is true. Yada yada yada. And that's gonna be it. Equal. ID. Image.id. Something like that, right? Can we type in 10? Thank you. Abstractions about databases are the worst. There are so many things worse now. It's crazy. I personally just submit the form, handle Supabase update and an async function, and I will take care of side effects. Guys, again, teach me, because I have no clue how to do things. They just magically work. The thing is that if you do things like this, the thing is that if you click these buttons, right? Why is it not popping up, man? If you click these buttons, we should actually do like a toast or something to let us know. How do we do that? Toast. Const toast is use toast. Toast. Description. Actually, to be honest, title. Added as profile picture. Man, I'm lagging. How is this possible? MacBook. That's the thing. I don't know what it is. It's what on Mac. If something is open on my other screen, it just does not want to tap. Like it just not want to open it. And normally it does that, but it doesn't. So I need to click it. Annoying. This one, added as profile picture. The thing is, how do we know we did that? It's Sunday. It's not. It's this fucking image, Anthony. What the hell are you doing here? It's this image. It's profile cover. That's a little bit of the problem with Supabase, right? You can make it typed, but I'm too lazy to do that. Actually, let's do that. Optimistic updates, guys. That's what's gonna be. I will. Please, somebody needs to fix this that I can. Oh man. Boom. Shit. 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 Oh yeah, of course. It's the policy. It's a Supabase policy. The thing is that the policy said that you can only update pictures that from your persona. But this is Sunday. It's a prefab persona. But I'm using it to test because I have no custom persona. Companion. This profile cover, yeah. There's no update. I hate these policies. I'm thinking. What's the angle for this project? I don't know. It has 1,500 users. What's the goal? 15,000? 150? 1 million? 15 million users? I don't know. This is a rewrite from the old. The old was garbage. But people like that. Now it's gonna be better. Even better. Better. It's not thirsty. It's not thirsty. It does not need to be thirsty. It does not need to be thirsty because it's like, what a dark night, innit? Right? Then you could say Sunday. It's like you need to see it as people can do what they want, right? You can do real talk with her, but it's like you create your own lore with your companion, right? And I will make some tutorials on some facts, some tutorials here how you do that. But you could do, for example, something like it's a perfect night for a ghost story or two. Did you know? But you see where it's going. Did you know ghosts really do exist? Actually, question mark. I always believed in the supernatural. There is just too much unexplained. Let's. You see, then it starts, right? Then you're reading a book that you're writing yourself. That you need to think about it like that. I'm doing something stupid, right? So let's go to the woods. Let's go. It's gonna be to the woods, and maybe we can find a real one. That sounds perfect. The perfect place to find a ghost. And then you can start doing roleplay, like Sunday grabs her black backpack full of potions. I'm ready. Let's get it out. So, but you can prompt it, and you can go and you can build your story. You know what I mean? And you can introduce characters to it, and you can do role play, write a book, be immersed, just like you play a game. Like people are the Lord of League of Legends, World of Warcraft. You know, that's what it is, right? It's not for everybody, but trust me, there are a lot of users. You know what I mean? There are a lot of people doing this, believe it or not. Believe it or not. Yeah, the thing is like, for example, suddenly a monster appears from the dark corner of, I'm just thinking, of the woods, of the trees. The trees, is that, how do you write that? Of the woods. Sunday panics. Ah! What the hell is that thing? Whoa! Sunday! It's huge! Quickly! Grab The purple potion. Potion from the backpack. I've got, but the thing is, you need to, if this is just realistic mode, there is also like story mode, and you need to prompt it if you use with asterisks, because there are a couple users, right? You have the users that want to do real talk, right? They wanna make an AI girlfriend, for example. They want to do real talk. But the majority, a lot of other people, they want to do these immersive stories, and then you need to prompt it a certain way, right? So of course, if you start with these, you need to start like that. For example, I can reset this, right? For example, like this. Sunday greets Anthony with black magic. You need to tell what's going to happen. You see, Sunday greets Anthony with a wave of her hand, conjuring a small spark of black magic to dance around her fingertips, right? Let's go grave. Let's go to the graveyard. So you see what's going on? These things. And this is Sunday, which is actually Wednesday. Adams from the Adams family. But you can let your imagination do. You know what I mean? I still have some work on the chat. I still have some work on some kind of the prompt mechanics here and there. But I will be fine. You can regenerate that, right? You can keep regenerating it until you have something. They call that swipes. So you can swipe it. So you can keep the story like you want, you know? You can also do an OOC out of character, right? For example, Sunday needs to be more arrogant, needs to be more horny, needs to be more whatever you want. You know what I mean? Anyway, enough education. Let's go back to the stupid things here. So what's going on? Oh yeah, policies. Fuck me. I hope I could basically just do not do that, but we need to. So on update, for example, the monster cues you to only use JavaScript. Were you on a long vacation? Yeah, I went to Albania to visit some people, to visit Teddy actually, from the community. And yeah, I'm thinking here, how does this, what do I need to do? Based on persona ID, that's the thing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hack the system a little bit. So let me cancel this. Discard this policy. So I have another policy here somewhere. Table editor. Where is it? Companions. Business ID. This is what I need. This is what I need. Using. Let's check. I'm gonna copy this. Create a new policy. Update paste. Do I need to do this? Paste. ID or something. I have no fucking clue. Then we're gonna paste that in here and paste that in here, right? Wait, it's the image. Yeah, it's just based on user ID. It's that easy. Because you generate for a persona. Persona is yeah. But we cannot set the. We cannot actually do that for. Whatever. I'm gonna fix it. No worries. Wait. Yeah. It's fine. Images. Getting a message. Success. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you, Habibi. You see now it works. It's profile cover. Okay, GG. So that basically means that everybody, but it's locally, but now if we don't do a specific check, everybody in the system can see you updating Sundays, you generating a naked picture of Sunday, and put that into the batch of profile covers for Sunday, which is a prefab model everybody can see. That would be nasty, you know. But just for testing, we're gonna allow that. Now we need to know if this is a profile picture, so we can make this button in some kind of a color based on if it's yes or no, huh? Actually, it's very easy because we can do variants. Let's do this. How are we gonna do this? Variant is gonna be image.is profile cover question mark. It's gonna be default, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna see that. We don't make any worries about this. Oh, I will. Okay, you see. I don't like that, but it is what it is. Oh, these AIs you can choose from what people have generated. No. You can't. These images you can see here, look at that. You see what I did here? For example, Sunday is going to filter that. Try to do that in another language. For example, Golang, of course you can. But the thing is, these are generated. These are prefabs, but you can create your own, and these are private. Later, maybe I can allow the community to publicly post some companions I need to see. By the way, if you wanna beta test this, you can. Then you need to jump into the Discord. Jump into the Discord of fanmade, which you can find here. You click this link, you go to the Discord. Also join my Discord, because you're already on Discord. You know, you're already on Discord, so you can join my channel and the fanmade channel on Discord. Look at that, Iman and Is basically Pokemon. But not Pokemon, but Pokemon, you know? Like, if you want to chat with Pokemon, you can. Can I click this? There are no... It's safe for work, guys. No worries. Everything on the front page here is safe for work. You can only make it not safe for work only if you want, and that's your business, and it is what it fucking is, right? If you want to see the Neres do some crazy shit, you can, you know? But it does not need to be, right? That's the same thing. You can go to sleep and you can do a quick fab, or you cannot do a quick fab. That's up to you. You can do quick fabs, or 3, you know? Rookie numbers, according to the Wolf of Wall Street. Okay, Sunday Adams, one of my favorites here. Was my idea, by the way. This is basically, we need to be here. What are we gonna do? First of all, I think this is for mobile, right? So you need to understand that this app is actually a mobile app. Progressive Web. Why don't you make a mobile app? Because you can't. The moment you have some kind of a way that you have not safe for work stuff, it's not, but you can. Like, the conversations can be more erotic, whatever you want. You cannot make a web app, a mobile app. You need to make the web app a mobile app without being a mobile app. You know what I mean? That's what they call progressive web app. Whew. Complex. You see, even the chat. Look at it. I made this myself. You see, it's gonna be. If it's on mobile, it's gonna start this. Like, I'm so proud of myself, guys. Maybe I need to stop putting it in my own face. Yeah. Delete my drawer. Yeah, I deleted that. GG. Okay, so back to the stain. Images here. So what colors do we have? Maybe we can make it ghost, actually, to be honest, right? If we make it ghost, that would be better. If we're gonna make these ghost, this can be destructive, actually. We can make it secondary, and otherwise we're gonna make it ghost, right? Same thing here, ghost. Annoying. I need to figure out what's going on with the Mac. And it's probably the stupid screen on the other side. The moment you have that, you cannot tap anymore. What is this? Control plus? That doesn't work. GG. Game's over. This destructive is way too destructive. It needs to be a ghost as well. And then we're gonna say class name here. I'm gonna make this text destructive like this, right? Can somebody help me right now? I need to be help. I'm in help. I'm in need of some help. How can I tap here, let it loose, and this pops up just like normal, even when there is something open on my other screen? Please, I'm gonna donate you 10 Ethereums. No, it's not. $10 worth on Ethereum. I swear to God. Help me right now. Press Ctrl and the right arrow. Bro, I'm not using arrow keys. They are disabled. I'm a Vim user. I'm using Vim binds. Arrows, we don't know what it is. Command tab. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's not what it's working because something is open on the other side. And I need that because it's your chat that's open on the other side. 7 is my magic number. Is it? Look at this. I'm gonna fix it. Look at that. You see, I cannot even swipe. Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this, right? And then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna full screen this here. Boom, right? Then this Twitch chat is also gonna need to be somewhere here as well. On this other screen. Boom. This. Full screen. And then the Z editor as well. Full screen. And then this just works like intended. You see this? That's how I code the whole day. Like this. Okay, open up this, open up that. But it doesn't work if something is open on this other screen. Why is that? How is this even possible? Why are they doing that to me? Why? I will read it later on. Alright, that's much better, right? And then we need to decide which color do we want. This one? This profile picture. Could be like that. I still need to fix that. This is still the old color that I didn't fix from the Tailwind stuff. It needs to be yellow. The thing is, how are you going to unset that as a profile image? That's the question. It's just details. Where's my music? It's so quiet here. Coconut, coconut. Coconut, coconut. I was watching this ASMR with my daughter the last day, man. These guys are so crazy. What are they doing? This emoji challenge ASMR thing is like so fucking cringe. It's crazy, man. Electronic. Holy shit. Samba. Yeah. Holy crap, man. The thing is that it's probably working, but we have no state. The state is not updated right here. So let me double check. That's false. Should be true actually. How do I refresh this bullshit? You see that I'm actually, it's still false. Is not image. Oh yeah, but it's just, yeah. We don't update the state. Fuck me. How do we do this? How does this image coming in here? How do we do that? Open with an image. Can we do this? Can we do something like how do we do that? Punt dot image, and then is profile cover is gonna be image yeah, I think it's gonna be yeah. I don't know if this is gonna work. Probably not. This. You see? you press a button and then you just pray to the gods that it's gonna work, right? So I'm gonna do it now. If I do this. Fuck! Wait. It works, okay. How is that even possible? You see, now I cannot see the chat, this is annoying, right? So what we need to do is we need to bring that back over. Maybe if I full screen this, maybe that's a thing. Maybe the full screen is the thing what we need to do. Maybe that's the play. Now I cannot, you see, I cannot move this to the other screen. Is there like a quick button I can just drop it to the... So annoying. But it's like, my whole life experience with Mac is like this. My whole life. It's crazy. Aerospace do not rely on those virtual places. Do you have a separate server for this? How do you mean? How do you mean now, baby? The question about it is this image yellow is getting triggered, yeah, and then we just put that in. We have the image. The thing is, the problem is we cannot do that. Why? Because the image is not state bound. Right? This set image is coming to set the image inside of the image dialog. And this is coming from probably image container. We got some polling shenanigans, which is coming from the image card, which opens the dialog. Makes sense, right? What we could do is actually fetch the image just from the server each time we click it, but that would be nasty, isn't it? Where is the image is in state, right? I can update this image. I can do that. I can do that. I'm just thinking about it. I have an idea. Panda, what's up, man? What's going on? What are you doing? How's life? How is life treating you, man? I hope life treats you well, my brother. I dislike Superbase because you need business logic inside a database, and the monster curses you to use, and the monster curses you to only use JavaScript. Yeah, it is like it is. It's something that gets you going very fast without a lot of hassle and trazzle and stuff. You can just use it on the client, so you don't need a server. So you can. Is it good? Probably not. Is it the best? Probably not. Is it mid? Probably not. It's not then. Man, I hated these conversations so hard, I'm gonna lie. Like this streaming thing, like all these people with their opinions and then I cannot hold myself commenting, and it's so fucking annoying. Like I said, I was 3 months away from all social media. It was the best 3 months of my fucking life, I swear to God. Holy shit. But hey, a man's got to do what a man's got to do, regardless of his emotions, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking we need to update this fucking image. Why? No, it's because of Ruby. That's the most annoying thing. Let's do that. So this works in the context of this image. Right. If we close this model, then we are in the context of the image that is being rendered on the screen inside of this gallery. If you click it again, it sets that image back to the dialog, which is the original image, in memory. And it's not there, but it is there. If we refresh. So, if you use Remix with loaders, you don't have this problem, because each time you do something like that, the loader basically just invalidates, right? But that's the easy, that's the easy solution, because you're going to invalidate, which basically triggers a complete query again and again and again. So each click, what people don't realize is each click is going to trigger your server call, trigger your database call all the fucking time for no reason at all. Just for one update, it's gonna do all that stuff. You know? And that's what I hate about loaders, because each time, you need to understand, each time you basically just type something, each time you update something, it's gonna re-invalidate your loaders, and all the logic in your loaders is gonna get triggered. It's so annoying. Why is that? It's not needed. It's not needed. So we need to update this image in fucking memory, which is use query. There is this image. Where is this image? It's from. Here. It's from here. I could invalidate this query as well, and then it's GG, well played. But why would we? We don't. It needs to be fast. So we can do something like I'm gonna move these functions out of I'm gonna organize that. Don't worry about that. Const. Is it use query? Where it coming from? Use persona companion query client. This is what it needs. Use query client. Set query data. Is that what you want? It feels too hacky, I'm gonna lie. At this point, I just want to re-invalidate it, fetch it again, and GG, well played. The thing is, I need to have the idea. Can we? We can. It's actually super easy, right? But it feels so... I don't care, I'm gonna do it anyway. Const. Is it location? No. Params? Is it params? Is use params? Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy this. Hey! Struggling so hard. Yeah, sometimes it happens. It doesn't matter. ChatGPT. Okay, so basically set a field. Set the... Fuck you, Firo, you're so stupid. If OA mini. Set the S profile cover field to true for image with ID 33, for example. Your component use credit client. Image ID. Yo. That sounds weird. If image is 33. Okay, you need to read this, guys. If you want to use something like that, you need to read what's going on so you learn from something you don't know, right? Because you cannot trust this blindly, you know what I mean? You can't. What timeline is this? My bald goat is back. Yeah. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna take this old data thing, which is gonna be something like that, callback. I'm gonna say previous, and then we can do a function in here, right? What is previous, by the way? Nobody knows what it is. That's gonna be image, but this, right? Ref map this thing. Oh man, I'm gonna look. Tonight I'm gonna do some investigation how to handle Mac clients when the whole screen is full of Windows browsers. New data, old map. So we have this image. We don't care about this, brother. I like this. Single profile cover. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Is there no better way to do this? Set as pro. Actually, to be honest, set as profile picture. That's true. Set profile picture. This is such a weird thing. I mean, you're completely right. Now I think about this. I mean, it seems so weird that we need to just. But it's or you're gonna loop over memory, or you're gonna go to the database over the network, come back, loop over memory because you're gonna map anyway. That's what we're gonna do it like this. It sounds nasty, but it is what it fucking is. That's what we're gonna do. Actually sick and tired of this thing, man. Now I can actually go into this thing and collect this stuff. Can I copy this? Just like that? Okay, I need to do this, right? Copy the whole shebang. There's the old data, we're gonna change that, so I'm gonna paste that in, delete all this bullshit. And we're gonna do pref. Does it matter if we take... This is gonna work. I have no fucking clue. Shit. I pressed the button that I can. This one's fine. Hey! That's what I would do. I would just do, didn't think about something, just change it in the hope it's gonna work. Right? This is already so fucking nasty, I'm not gonna lie. You're basically in an image dialog somewhere in the application. But it is what it is. So we're going over these things. We find the image in the map. Which image are we setting here? We don't need this. I'm gonna comment this out. So let's focus. So the profile cover is going to be not the thing that it's already is. What it's already is. What it's already is. What it's already is. Okay? Do we agree here? Something is going on. This is going to be my last stream. I'm going to get cancelled after this stream. 100%. 100%. Can somebody fix this for me? What's going on here? But you mapped that. We need to. We need to update the state to this. Okay, fine. We need to return this, isn't it? We need to return this thing. What is that? Why is this false? Why don't we actually? We don't need this. We don't need this. If the image ID is the image ID, then we just change this thing. Is it something like that? is never gonna work. This is impossible. This is an impossible. You see it, of course. We need to return these things. I would do something. I hate these things. Can we just do something like that, like a normal function, like a normal people work, right? And then we say if it hurts so much. What is this JavaScript, man? These brackets are all everywhere. Where am I? Where am I, man? Here am I. Alright. Activate. This is the old fucking data. Okay. I'm gonna call this pref images. Then we're gonna say pref images dot map, right? Which is gonna be the image, which is gonna be an image. I will solve it myself because ChatGPT with this complex stuff, right? And I'm gonna use this long notation, no shortcuts, because I'm getting confused. So we need to return this map, right? The new images. Return image. That's fine. So we could return as an object, which is going to be the old image like this, which is nothing. We're gonna update. Activate. Where am I? Okay. We're gonna update the S profile cover is going to be image. We're gonna do this image. You're gonna say the image ID equals the image ID, which is, I know, question mark. Yes, it does. Okay. Then we say that it's going to be the reverse of what it already was. Is profile covers. Otherwise, it's gonna be what it already was. Something like that. Okay, I need some experts here. Alright. I mean, this makes sense, right? Activate. It returns the image. It updates the profile cover. But it sets the inverse if the image is the same, the IDs are the same, and otherwise it just returns what it is. How can this not work? Well, we don't log it because it's inside. Log the IDs, but I mean, it returns the same image all the fucking time. That's crazy. Why would it do that? It's actually a simple thing. Actually, to be honest, we can do it like that. Console.log image. Let's do that, right? Let me inspect here real quick. Of course. Wait, guys, I'm gonna fix this. Ta-da! Right here. Compare ID1. Okay.
Let's go.
State invalidates with unloaders. Actually, you're right. I cannot agree more. It is, but it's just this one thing, right? Should we just re-invalidate everything? Shouldn't we just re-invalidate that? Now we are fucking safe. Holy shit! How do we do that actually? How to invalidate query width use query because no, it's fine. Should be enough. Man, stop! I do this table of contents. Just give me the one-liner, man. Just give me the one-liner, yeah. Just like that. Invalidate queries, images, params ID. It knows that. That's crazy, but it doesn't work. Why? What does it say here? Undefined. In common. Is it this one? Like, get fucked? No, it's not. Actually, to be honest, it's params like this. Also not. Okay. This is an object. This is what it is, right? This is our thing. Look at that. It's the params ID. Oh, an object with a query key. Okay. This is the old one. Yeah. I see. It's gonna be something like that, right? Query key, just like this. Boom. Right. Boom. Boom.
Let's go.
Boom. It's not working. What's going on? Yeah, but this image is not refreshing, right? Look at that. I mean, how would you solve that otherwise? This dialogue is somewhere else. Is in fucking Ouagadougou, right? It lives somewhere in the application. I don't even know where. It lives somewhere. So we need to update the state of the image there, and then the rest is going to be invalidated, right? That's what we're going to do, isn't it? You know what I mean? God fuck damn it! It works. Okay. Inshallah. That's not too bad. But it's just as easy as just updating this, and it's fine. It's good. We're building this thing ourselves, so we do things that doesn't scale. We don't give a shit. Can I show you my AI project as well? Yes, you can, my friends! And I will give you a shout out live on the stream. I swear to God. So you're invalidating, but that's something that doesn't make sense in my mind. You're basically invalidating the whole shebang because you have you updated one boolean to a picture. That's something I cannot sleep tonight. So it's gonna be our mission of this stream is to figure out how to not do that and set it here in memory. That's what we're gonna do. Manual tree shake. Guys, stop it. Okay, stop it. It's like game development. It's even worse. State is everywhere. You need to learn state, embrace state. You know? Relax. Feel it in your body. Let it go. Embrace React. Because that's what you need to do. You need to write it in React. Because then your company is easier to sell. You know? There are literally no there are a couple of competitors here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 competitors, and they are all garbage. You know? But the only one, Character is being sold for I think it was over it's worth billions. It's bought by Google, right? And I do it better. I just cannot. This is state of the art AI generation. Nobody has this, man. We have trained this ourselves. Ourselves! This is Jelly Bean, man. Look at her. Jelly Bean. This is a bad picture, I'm not gonna lie. We need to delete this picture because it's so bad. This is Jelly Bean. The girl that stands on the cars for no reason at all. This is her. You can chat with her. Here, she's in the casino. You know? Here, homeless girl. Did you ever want to help a homeless girl? Yes, of course we do. Well, here is your chance. You know? We even have the spit on that thing character. Where is she? I forgot. Where is she? Where the fuck is she? Here. Look at her. She's so cute. Anyway, my favorite is basically Sunday. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna fix this here. Right now. We have a bunch of images coming into the map. To be honest, actually, wouldn't it be better if the dialogue, the image dialogue, would be completely separated from state and just have its own internal cocon? You open the dialogue and it's gonna fetch the image inside of the dialogue. But that doesn't, you know what I mean? There could be something, isn't it?
Start to move.
Because now we're updating state, coming from state. And then it's just like, boom, you fetch the image. That's what I would do in Golang. You know what I mean? Just click it, fetch the image, show the image, do some stuff. And call it a day. You don't need to refetch the image, no. We don't, because we're in a state. That's what we're doing. People don't agree with me. People want to do some extra calls over the network. You know how much... Hey! Hey, we don't have that much money. Ah. So we need to be very, very careful with the bandwidth. You know? This one time. On Bandcamp. Oh yeah, I know what it is, because this is the image we have, and this is the image. Yo! And nobody saw this, man. How is this even fucking possible? Huh? How is this even possible? Yeah, but we need this as well. Going on it. But we need this as well. 2 states. 1 cup. You see? Hey! I'm gonna stop listening to chat. I'm gonna stop listening to ChatGPT. I'm gonna listen to Anthony GG. Because you see? Boom. That's what it is. That's what it is. Cool. So we click this thing. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. And that's fast. You know, that's why this app is fast. Open it up in production. Go to production, fanmade.ai. Open it up on your mobile browser and click. You can click with the speed of light. There's no interruptions. Everything is cached, state managed. It's a pain in the ass to do, but it's fast. It's brrrr, you know what I mean? All these apps, these days you need to click and then you can fab and then you come back and it's still loading. I can click, I can use an app, I can click a button, go spend 1 million, come back and it's still loading. No. User experience first. You know? Time is money. Click that. Thank you, Mihai. I know you know it, but I cannot. The more I watch, I'm dyslexic. I have ADHD. Basically, I'm mentally disabled, and I still manage to make these things in any language I want. So maybe something is good on me, innit? Maybe there's a little bit. Maybe I have a little bit of a talent somewhere. Maybe. I don't know. Why are we in this thing? We need to be here. You see this? Cash, 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 cash. Boom, zoom, boom, zoom, hum, hoom, click, hop, click, hop, click, hop, click, hop, boom, boom, boom. Which app can do that? Yeah, but it's local. Do it in production, man. The same thing. Pop, 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 pop. And this is running on a fucking micro instance. You know what I mean? We're running on Pepega servers. It's like there are hamsters turning in a wheel to get the power on these servers. That's how we host that. And people are complaining on fucking Primogen's stream on Twitter that they need to be fast and low level code and fuck that shit. You need to React and some cache. That's it. Which model are you using? Custom trained. Custom trained model. We have a custom trained model. I swear to God. Why? Because check it out for yourself. But how can you render this text so good? But we can also do not safe for work. So which model is it? You're never gonna guess. Why? Because we trained it ourselves. Because we have the best AI engineer in the world that does this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, maybe, because you're also gonna have affinity levels, guys. You can level your character. You can make levels for each of these characters. You know what I mean? Later on. So maybe I was thinking if we click this, I don't like this, but it is what it is. There's too much is in one sentence. Wait, so maybe we should give it a border if it's a profile pic. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Because it's our application, we can do what we want. Waste our time on things that doesn't matter. It's actually easy. React is the best. The only thing I hate is these arrows. Arrows and brackets and parentheses. Too much things. Too much going on. Image container is this one. Actually, image card is this one. It's very easy. Image card, click this one again. Now we are here. Quick hack here, just whatever. And then we're gonna say. We're gonna do this. Just like that. We're gonna call CN in the game, like that. Do this, this, and this. And then we're gonna say that image dot is profile cover and then we're gonna say border amber 50. Yeah, amber 50. That's what it's gonna be. What's going on? I don't see anything. 50. Where's my border? I was a little bit too enthusiastic, I'm gonna lie. But Amber 50 is also basically invisible. Red 500. The main source of truth. Okay, this is not gonna work. Let us say that. Why is that? Maybe it's the image. Maybe it's a problem with the image. Can we please type, man? Fucking idiot. I don't think I need border. I think it just need to work like that. It's not. I need that border. Actually, just border like that's fine. Alright, cool. Alright, we have these bounding boxes. Let me make some typos in here so nothing happens. Huh? Typo? No typo? Can we do this? Am I just an idiot? Yes, I am. What is this magic? Oh! Because they're all our profile pictures. You know? They are. Because these are the profile pictures we set. Right? Yeah. Now we see. But these are their profile pictures. But Sunday is a prefab companion. So you can actually set a profile picture for a prefab companion. But we're doing it anyway to test because we don't have a custom companion. And we don't want to generate one. Because accidentally, maybe there is a naked titty. Accidentally. Maybe. And then YouTube bans me. And then there's no more. Then there's no more Anthony GG, you know? So that's why we don't do that. Okay, but that's gonna work then, I guess. So we're gonna delete this thing, right? Border red 500. So we can do an amber 50 actually, to be honest. So a little subtle thing. Actually, it could be a primary, right? But that's too much. But it could be a primary divided by 10, right? That's actually invisible. 50 maybe? 40? You see, now it works. For suddenly, I don't know what's magically happened something. Now it works on Mac. After 1 hour, it suddenly worked. This means it's a profile picture. Okay? What do you think? So now you have all these pictures are in the profile pictures array. What happens that even if you're here and you refresh the page, it's going to cycle random images all the time, which is it's nice. You know what I mean? It's a little bit nice. Inspect element. For the Church.js component. I don't know. I'm gonna check Twitch chat real quick because these guys are a little bit behind. For no reason at all. Alright, what's going on here? Could you create other functions? Update params query. Yeah. Online 53, you need to destructure image, not image. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But that's what I like about use query that you cannot do with fetchers or loaders. And like I said again, just the only thing you need to do Where are we? Image dialog. Is it there where we are? Here. So it's a little bit weird that you need to update the state of the image in the dialog, and then you need to update the state in your thing. But that's what it is. It is what it is. It's a little bit nasty, but now it's done. It works. It's fast. Everybody's happy. User is happy. It looks a bit weird because they are all bordered now. But yeah, the same thing goes with the heart, right? Download, delete. So it's gonna be a favorite. I cannot even click this thing. What brand is your t-shirt? I don't know, it's brandless, man. It's a white t-shirt from €5. That's what it is. Mac is for pussies. Yeah. Correct. Yes, okay, cool. Actually, what's going on, to be honest? How can I see that? 73 people. Watching me struggle. Why the rewrite? I think it's pretty obvious, right? I mean, fucking Mac, man. Get there. Get out of my face, brother. Why? Because, man, it's like, it's just too good. I mean, you can't, if you need to do all of this with, yeah. It says mobile. You need to open, do me a favor, open it on your mobile. Open it mobile. And you can scroll like this. So good, man. Here, Tomb Raider. You know what I mean? You know this? Laura Croft, all profile pictures. We don't want that, to be honest. We need to make a distinction between... This sucks so hard. And I need to fix this as well. How is this even... Why is this orange, man? I got an idea, actually. Where is this image card, brother? Guys, listen. You don't need to use anything, guys. You don't need to buy any course anymore from me. I basically just tell people do not buy anything from me, so I don't feel, just do nothing, right? If you want to watch me, you watch me. If you don't want to watch me, you don't watch me. Simple as it is. I'm using JavaScript because it makes sense, you know? It makes no sense to use Golang here. Do I know React very well? No. But I'm learning. and did it myself. This whole app is probably something that 99% was what I say. 92% of the whole developer population cannot build this app because it's very complex in a lot of ways. So, hey, good luck with that, brother. Brother! We don't want this. We don't want this anymore. Change my mind. And now the flow is gone. Now I can't do this anymore. Because of Mac. Hellbar. Yeah. I was thinking of actually having my little square. Look at that, what I'm gonna do. Look what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do size 2 rounded full because I'm send me a DM on Discord to fix this. It's this thing. It's the Twitch chat. It's the Twitch chat. Is this is the culprit. This thing is the culprit. What do we do with culprits? What are we doing with culprits? I need to basically merge this back to the other ones. How do I do this? Oh. I have an idea. Look at this. And then we do this. Hoppa. 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 Salam alaikum. Alaikum salam. Well, just like that. Yes! You see, it was a culprit. Twitch chat is all your fault. There. Your fault. I spit on that thing. You know what I mean? She wanna take a picture with you. Of your tiny wiener! I'm sorry, my mic is... I don't have a limiter, so there's clipping. There's going to be screaming and clipping in your ears. I know, I'm so sorry. You know what I mean? You see this little dot? A red dot, baby. I'm just doing some ideas, some artistic ideas. I'm the Bob Ross of programming. You know what I mean? The Bob Ross of programming. Are we gonna... We need to indicate that these are all profile pictures. How do we do that? How do we do that? A batch. Bro, no, that's not true. That's too big. That's too bombastic. That's too bombastis. That's too bombastic. We could do something like this, like make a square. What is this corner? It's probably rounded MD, right? Rounded MD. We're gonna make this into a W full. I had no clue. I'm just gonna try to imaginate myself this V-shaped corner that we are going to fabricate ourselves. But first of all, we need to make sure. Not safe for work. We need to make sure we're gonna add some coconut. We're gonna do maybe some hip hop essentials. What do you think? We them boys. We make the noise. Okay, W full, BG red. But we're gonna make it absolute inset 2. That's not gonna be inset 0. We're gonna make it. What happens if you do full? It's gonna take the whole cover. Okay. So if we do a height of 50%, can we do that? Yes. So I'm a game developer. That's why I know all these things. So then we're gonna actually split the W. It's not gonna be W full. We're not gonna do this, right? And maybe there's a better way. Maybe there's some magic thing to do that. I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna try it myself, and maybe I'm gonna be a pioneer in these things, a pioneer. There's also gonna be a 50% thing, right? So now we have that. So then we're gonna actually make it a border red, right? Of course, we need to say that it's border, just like that. Just like this. Right now we have that. You see? Facial recognition. You see what it is? We're making a facial recognition app. It's a little bit off, you see? But we're gonna say that it's gonna be border. Border. What's the playlist? From Artlist. Royalty-free music. Border. Border T. Fuck. Can we do this? We can't. Can we do this? We can. So we need to say border T red. Now we're gonna say, I'm gonna make it even better. I'm gonna say 25s. You see? Alright. Now we're gonna say border T2. Boom. I'm gonna make it big. Nice and big. That's what she likes. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna copy this thing. I'm gonna paste it in. Because we're Bob Ross. We paste. We paint things in. Border T, border left. Boom. Shit. Man, this is so annoying. I didn't, huh? Do we need to do this? Wait, TR. TL. TL. That's not gonna work. Top left. LT. LT. LT, 100%. Fuck. Tailwind. Anthony G scam course. Tailwind, borders. Borders. Border style. Border dotted. Border solid. We can spend 10 minutes on this and then we're gonna see it's not gonna be something. So we use 10 minutes, but it's just the feeling of creating this is the best thing ever. Border. Border width. Here. Border. Border. Borders. Okay, the information stops where I need to know. It stops where the professionals need to come in. That's problematic. Border red 500. And you set the border TL2. That makes a lot of sense. What you're telling me. Who is this? Ricardo. You make a lot of sense actually. A lot of sense. You never made so much sense. I think it's TL. And I typed LT. Okay, that's not gonna work. It's very simple. We're almost there. We're almost there. Border 2. It's gonna be so bad, man. It's gonna be such a waste of time. Such a waste of time. Border 2. I'm gonna do it like that. I'm sick and tired of this thing. Border top, border right. left. It's on the other side of right. L, T. Padding top. TL. No, okay, we need to do it like this. Fuck it. Border L, 2. And then we're gonna say border T, 2 as well. Yes. Something like that. It looks like there is no TL. Yeah, there's no TL. Something like this, but I want to give it a little bit more swoop. A little bit more stump. Stamp. Stamp. A little bit more stamp. That's what we're going to do. So, I have no pop filter, I'm so sorry. So we're going to do inside 0. I think we need to bring out the big boys. Border 4, you know what I mean? Big guns. That's a little bit too much. 3. I think 3 is going to be nice. 3. Not 3. 3. That don't exist. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. It's a little bit too much. Weird. Wait, this should be... This is wrong. I think we need to do something simple. Aspect 3/4 to have the same of the image. What do you think? Right? Can we scale that? We can't. Alright. And then we need to just choose a color, for example, primary, something like that. Wait, of course I need to do some little bit of logic. Hein? Ah oui, bien sûr, parler français très bien. Ok, d'accord, mes amis, écoutez bien avec moi. Image. Dot S profile cover. This one, do this one, paste it in here, save it. Hola. Hola va. Hola pola. It's a little bit too... Need to fine tune it. It's 10% from the width, it's 10% from the height, it's also 10%. That can be. I want to say maybe it's 8 and this 4. 6 actually, to be honest. We have some ratio. What do you think, guys? Is that something we want? Is that something? Actually, there's no... Shit! What the hell is this, man? Holy crap! That didn't end well. Damn! That looks terrible. Not gonna lie. Damn, brother. Shit. Actually, we could also do something like this, right? And that's why you can Figma, and then a designer can just do that in 5 minutes. Instead of doing 1 hour of making something look good. But it doesn't matter because I enjoy this, you know? I enjoy to do that. Because I'm a front-end engineer. I completely changed my direction. That's not true. A programmer is a programmer. No matter what you do. It's just writing stuff on the screen, isn't it? We could do very simple, a trick. Where we just do something like... What's going on? Why can I not? I need to CN again, I guess. Hier. Hey. Image, dus is profile, is profile, is profile, is profile cover. Right, and then if that's true, we're gonna do something like border B to border primary. God damn it, that's ugly. Maybe it's because there are so many profile images, right? Wait, I have an idea. We're gonna do Persona 1, right? So it's Persona 1, so select update from images where companion ID equals 1. Actually, I can do this 1. How do we do that? I have no fucking clue because I cannot write SQL, so I'm gonna copy this, put this in chat, in the chat thingy. Where is this thing? Chat. Boom. Update the profile picture. False. Anthony, do you need to do that? Yes, because I have no clue how to do that on the top of my head. All right. Oh yeah, of course. Okay, so now, shit. This is gonna bore the... Look at that. If I go to explore, the system's gonna crash. Look at this. Boom. Know your application. You need to know your application. Rule number 5. Know your application. Know when it's gonna crash before it crashes. That's top tier. Top tier developer. That's because there are no profile pictures. Now there are. It's all good. You see? It's all here. And not in GPT. Shit. I fucked it up. We need to have 2 profile pictures.
Again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite him in. Welcome to the Lions Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in.
Tempo with a silver bullet. Yeah. Let's just do not talk about Temple again, huh? What's going on? Did I fuck it up here? No, it's not. No, it's true. I need to have 2. And why is that? Because we have this cool function that's so badly written by myself. And this function is being called get profile cover. This one. There's something else. I think it's in the oh, hola. I'll be good. We're good. It's somewhere in index. I think I fucked it up. Companions. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't really matter, right? You can use whatever you want. It's all good. Every single thing you're gonna do in your life has pros and cons. Your mother, pros and cons. Your brother, pros and cons. Your wife, pros and cons. Everything has good things and it has bad things. Why do you pick your girlfriend? Or why do you pick your dog? Or whatever the fuck you do for a living? Why do you do that and not somebody else? Because you were first. And because it makes sense for you. Right? Somebody likes blue and somebody likes black. Nobody in my life asked Anthony, why did you pick a silver BMW M3 competition. Why did you bought that? Why did you buy that color? Nobody asked me that. Nobody. Why? Because what color is their BMW M3 competition? Exactly. They don't have a color. Because they don't have an M3 competition. They drive a Fiat Panda or a bicycle. Okay? The same thing goes with programming. Everybody asked, why are you using this? Why are you using that? It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want. Because you buy a pink, a blue, a silver car because you like the color. You like it. It does not need to be liked by anybody else, right? The same thing here. Vue, Nuxt, Next, Golang, Python, Ruby, Elixir. It doesn't really matter. If you are happy, I'm happy. Let us be friends. I'm gonna be completely honest, the only reason why I just also dissed Golang is because I hate its community. So hard, man. Holy shit. It's the worst community ever. And maybe JavaScript has also a worse community, but at least I don't need to be in the community because I cannot educate anybody on JavaScript. So I cannot be involved in it, right? I cannot spit my opinion because I don't know how this thing works. I just press buttons and type things and use memos randomly, you know, and it all works out. But for me ever to go on Twitter and go discuss with people or courses, and no, it's not gonna happen. So I'm at peace. I'm sitting here in my own cocon, writing codes, and everybody does his thing, right? Everybody does his thing. And I'm happy until today. I'm happy until today because today is the day I'm back at streaming. It's not good. What do you think, guys? We can do this. We can. Oh yeah, we can. These we cannot do anything here, yeah. Because we didn't generate these. I'm gonna fix something that bothers me so hard. For so long. Oh fuck, I have a custom color. I have a custom color, yeah. I don't have the yellow. What's the foreground? What's the foreground? It's the primary. It's 2683. 14.1. 26. No, it's not. This one. It's 40. It's 49. 74. 47. What the fuck? 47.9. Too much numbers. I don't see anything at dark. Primary is the same, right? Why do I have Can you guys see this? You can't. Why do I have this border thing? Like, what is this? What is this, man? Pretty sure that's a ring, is it? Because it's not with the wahoo. Now it's fine heat, right? It's black heat for some reason. I have no fucking clue why that is. Ring. It's a 25 ring. Jing-a-ling, bing, bing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guess this is a yellow team, but... Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-dong. Yes! We got it! But that's the... Does it need to be the same way? Let me check here real quick. Oh shit. This is the production server. You want to see how the production server works? You can. What are you gonna generate? Are we gonna get banned from YouTube? Of course not. Let's do a selfie. A selfie. Pink dress. Let's make something decent here. Black sleeves. Red crop top. We're not gonna do these things. Peach sports bra. White ripped dress. Long black dress. Coat. Long black coat. With long pants. Because sometimes, you know what, sometimes shit can happen, right? Pose. Seated, sitting on a chair. I don't know. What is she doing? What does Sunday does on a Friday? Party. At the party. At the party with them boys. With them. With them. Them boys. At the party. No. At the party is here. What pose are we gonna take? Standing, relaxed. I'm pretty sure you guys know a lot of good poses. I understand that. Let's make 4 of these things, right? Boom, look at that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna this blackjack. The thing is, normally if we host our own GPU, if it's warm, it's gonna be fine. No, it's not. It's for the model, for the text model. Shit, we fucked. There's one bad image. God damn it. Can I delete that? How can I fabricate this? Shit. Huh. Shit. Okay, we fucked. Doesn't really matter. You see, this is annoying. You need to specify the clothes. Sometimes it could be that there's a little nipple. A tiny nipple. I mean. That was such a good picture, I'm gonna lie here. I'm gonna actually inspect this image to see the quality of the model. You see that? See this? See this quality? Sunday Adams, baby. Generated on fanmade. You see? This face is not her face. So on the other apps, they have the same face if you generate that. Other apps can do selfies as well. You can. Inshallah. Haram. Habibi. Okay. Just to make sure I'm at the right. Yeah. What do you think about these borders? I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Alright, let me see what's going on here at the chat, and then I'm gonna do some cool stuff alone. I thought I read the title reverse. What happened to HTMX? It was fun while it lasted. The thing is, the moment you need to start building UIs. Oh wait, we were testing something else. Real quick here. Settings, listing. Should be primary actually. Right. So what happens if we go to this stupid theme, which I don't have, but looks like it? What happens with the border of... Okay, it does this. So I'm gonna keep it then, I guess. Why not? I have another color, a slightly other color. Delete my account. Okay, that's gonna be fine. Is it the same here? No. That's what I want to test actually. Oh, it's black. That makes sense. Okay, GG. We did good. Alright. Anybody and questions? So what's next? I'd rather stream without a chat, to be honest. And just do my thing. That would be the best. But then I can rather not stream. You know what I mean? That would be stupid. Reading a book. Man, it is. You can read a book. You can write a book, man, and read it. It's gonna be so amazing. Your own story, you know? Guys, what's going on? So I'm gonna make a video why I switched from Golang to Remix, and in this video everything is gonna be clear why. Right? Everything is gonna be clear why. Oh shit! I forgot Twitch chat. Where are they? Here. Do you use Claude? No, man. Oh, jeez. All right. My BMW M3 competition color is transparent. Is it? Oh no, fucking moerast. Holy shit. Oh. What's up, New Capital? What's going on? What's poppin', brother? Actually, I'm very, very happy with Z, man. I'm very happy with this. It's so fast. Everything works. All the keybinds. Finding in your editor is so cool. Like I said, it's like... It's really, really good, man. And you can just jump over all these additions here and change them into place. That's fucking wild. Look at how fast it is. It's insane. What the hell is this? Oh yeah. Shit, I did a find and replace of persona to companion. So here's probably personal. And I replaced that with companion, right? So that basically means you're gonna replace personal with companion, persona with companion, which basically means you get this. Companion. Shit. But it's luckily only in the oh yeah. Maybe you need to it's in the where is it? It's only yeah. Oh man. Companion settings. God fucking damn it, brother. Personal. But this is actually something we can change because double verifying that we don't do crazy shit. Fucking YOLO gast. See? Easy. But every editor can. I know. They can. I know, guys. 100%. I love you. Boom. You see? It's weird because it's personal data with a capital. Why is that even? But hey, I'm not gonna touch that. Normally you never commit that into the same commit, right? You don't do that, but I can. Because I'm the boss of my boss. All right. Guys, are there any questions? Join the Discord community, right? Jump into the stream and I'm coding, right? Let's talk with each other. Let's shit talk. What color will your Lambo be? It will be a flashy green Urus. Urus is programmed. Lamborghini Urus. It's the next one. It's the next one. Actually, I don't really like it because it's too much money for that car just to have the Lambo stamp, right? You could better buy like a RSQ8 or something, or like an BMW X6 competition, which has the same frame as the Urus, but cheaper. You can save yourself $100, you know, for more whores and cocaine. What would you do? What would you do, boys? Let's see, guys. I like big boobies. Did you train the model from scratch with own data, or did you extend an existing model? We extended an existing model. We extended an existing model. Hoo-ba-doo-ba-day. I have back pain, lower back pain. Actually, it's when I'm streaming, it's better. Maybe it's because I missed you. Lumbago! Alright, guys. So what's next for the channel? I have no clue, right? So normally I would actually just call it a day, to be honest, and never stream again, never come online. Because I don't... I mean, I just want to do my things, right? I'm build a company. Now I'm out of the company. Took some free time to think what I was doing. Wrote some stuff in other languages. Had some fun. Stay away from the comments. Stay away from Twitter. Stay away from everything. Stay away from people's opinions. And do my thing the way I like it, the way I want it. And I was happy and I was very productive. And that's what I'm going to do, right? That works for me. That worked for me since the beginning, right? Doing my things. Are they the best? They probably are not the best, but they work, you know? And a lot of people doing things the best way, but they don't work. You know what I mean? Twerk. So it is what it is. That's what I'm going to do. And if people don't like it, hey, feel free. Unsubscribe to the channel and join the other soy devs like Primogen and Malky and all this stuff. These guys don't know, you know, go there, you know? It's fine. I don't care. Are we going to do this until I get banned? You know, and hopefully we're going to have fun and people are going to learn some stuff. You're going to learn some more about how to actually get things done and how things work in the early phase of a company, you know. I love you all. Peace and love, my brothers and sisters and everybody in the spectrum in between. I'm looking for the end stream button.